This video chart presentation of Torex Gold Resources Inc. brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. Torex Gold trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker TXG. This was one of our technical stocks to watch this week. And even though shares fell off on Tuesday, down over 4%, this chart's clearly in a nice uptrend, making higher lows since back here in May. It's making slightly higher highs, but it's really kind of got the look of an ascending triangle. And because that wedge is getting tight, this is still going to stay on radar to come off this 200-day moving average and try and take out the top and make some new highs. MACD is dipping back, somewhat to be expected with the stock price retracing. Still holding over top of zero though. I'll be looking for a rotation of the 12 and 26 EMAs and for another bullish cross to happen somewhere in that area of zero. Selling pressure on Tuesday made the negative DI shoot upward. That gives it a bit of a bearish look, but overall ADX around 17. There's not a lot of strength any direction at this point. MFIs are still registering over 50. That's a bullish position. Accumulation distribution, it's all a matter of perspective. Over the last few weeks, trending down, but in a little bit longer perspective, trending upward. I read that as more buying than selling into play. That concept's reinforced by Chaikin money flow, which is in the green. And although it is moving back down towards zero, over the last 20 periods, buying pressure has been heavier than selling pressure. That's a bearish look to the CCI with that breakthrough negative 100. I'll be looking for that rotation break back up through it. Take a quick look, see what happened last time it did that. That's when the stock price flattened and a nice move followed. Full stow, down around 20. Breaking through 50 means the stock's losing all its momentum. Again, not a big surprise, the stock price falling. And the tricks, still holding over top of zero. Again, that's primarily a bullish position for trend. Once again, the selling pressure is reflected in the indicators. RSI dropping off. I'm certainly going to want to see that try and make a reversal and get right back up over top of 50. It's bearish when it breaks back down through 50 like it did. Why our algorithms picked this up is because of a clearly defined uptrend. You can see it somewhere through that lines. See the regular higher lows, and that's that upward path I'm going to want to see hold. Stock picks up some support at $1.90. 200-day moving average is at $1.94. Call that a general area of support. It does pick up some pretty strong support down here around $1.75, but I'd start to become pretty concerned if this play breaks through $1.90 because it's really breaking down through this nice upward path it's been creating. Now right back to the upside. There's some resistance that's set up right there around 205 to 210. See the price per share channeled sideways through it last week. Couldn't break, dropped off on Tuesday. And that's going to be a key spot for me if I can see a spike in volume and a move back up through that area. I'd take that as a hint momentum's coming back into the play and the upward trend is going to continue. And in that case, I'd be willing to bet it's going to challenge this resistance at 222 and potentially those tops at 229 and look to make a new 52-week high. It's in an important position right now to try and make that move, because the long-term moving averages are all trending upward. Of course, that's a bullish indication, and in order for that trend to continue, the stock price is going to have to take on some upward pressure for the bullish look of this chart to continue. Overall, an interesting look and one to keep an eye on the rest of this week to see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the TXG chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.stocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by Allpenny Stocks, registered investment advisor, or licensed broker dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.